cross ice off the stick of Michael Chuck. He'll skate onto it in the offensive zone though. Michael Chuck taken out. Blizzard over skated at the point now. Blizzard.
Full horse there, attempted to keep it there. This one's flipped up and Crane's gonna have a breakaway 2-on-0. And a pass right there, scores as
deflected. Haukus to the near side of Toth. Toth looking in front. That centering pass deflected, goes up off the glass. In there and a bad, tough bounce there for Dylan Black.
By a King, that's Slade Stanek. OCN still has it on the man advantage. It's Toth with the shot, tipped on, rebound, they score.
Mulder's head, but no call now. We'll keep going, and that'll be the name of the game here all night with both teams. Obviously enough power plays here already, and a nice little play there as Trent Crane comes in. The decoy, quick shot.
Comes right to Lapointe. He'll head the other way. Lapointe dishes it in. He's taken down hard. Penalty coming up. Face.
Who's just going to spray that one in. 13-13 left here in the third period of play. It is still 4-4 between OCN and the Kings. As trying to in that 4-1 win, he was on the third and spent some time on the third and fourth line in that game as Cyrus Toth with a big hit. He was very, very good. Here goes Pache, a little trickery through the feet and across the line. Pache to the trailer, shot, they score again! And the OCN Blizzard have taken this game over.
Work with, feeds it to Lang. Back in the middle for Lanceleve, slapped off his stick by Toth. Cyrus Toth, I've only seen him a handful of times, but he always has a very active stick. And there it is again, knocking the puck away from Lang.
Back to the blue line. Cross for Toth. One-touch pass. Box and shoots off the crossbar.
Again, it's not on the clock due to some technical issues. Hopefully it will be fixed by next season. Over to Toth with a goal! Buddy Needham with a great game.
There, Zimmerman after it. Jennings and Patakin, but it's Zimmerman with the puck. The Toth, good pass, then a shot. And they score. Good job there by
Thiessen of the other side to take a shot on Pino. Before now, Paul picks that up over to Sardelli, over to Toth, and goal for the Blizzard! Toth with the goal! Little side Toth assisted.